can't keep doing this. I need a solution. I give you the solution. I'm going to make a self-draining dehumidifier. Our dehumidifier works overtime in the summer, and we're constantly emptying it. So today I'm going to make a self-draining dehumidifier system thingy with a condensate pump. Okay, so my goal here is when the water level comes up, it'll drain out into this guy, and this guy will pump it outside, and I won't have to empty this thing anymore. That's the goal. That should keep our basement dry. So I just stuck the hose down in there. I didn't do anything too fancy. I think eventually I'll make a cart for the two of them so I can wheel it around in different parts of the basement if I need to. But I think right now this is gonna do the trick. So that's another episode of Mike's Quick and Dirty Solutions.